Clap Happy is a 64 count 4-wall dance choreographed by Shaz Walton, dating back to 2013. It's very popular when we learnt it and people still ask for it today. So let's go over the dance. Starting with your right foot, going to start with a toe strut. So toe, strut, kick the left towards the left diagonal, touch it next to the right as you bend your knees, kick to the left, and step down on the left next to the right as you bend your knees, and then kick the right. Okay, so I'll do that for you again, leading with your toe struts. Toe, heel, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, and then touch the right next to the left, touch. Let's do it again. Starting with a right toe strut, ready, and toe, strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch. That's your first section. So next section, you just finished touching the right next to the left. You're going to kick the right towards the right diagonal, then a weave, behind, side, cross, 2 kicks to the left diagonal with the left, kick, kick, step the left behind and kick the right to the diagonal. Okay, so I'll do that for you again. You just touch the right next to the left. You step, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, kick. Now we'll add the first and second sections together, starting with your toe strut, leading with the right. Ready, and toe, strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, kick. Let's do that again. Ready, and toe, strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, kick. So that's your first 2 sections. Okay, your next section of Clap Happy. So you've just done a kick with the right. You step behind with the right, quarter turn onto the left to face 9 o'clock. Take the right to the side, then bump into the right hip. Take the weight onto the left and then bump into the left hip. Take the weight onto the right and bump into the right hip. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that facing the front. You step side, bump, step, bump, step, bump. Okay, so if we take it from where we've just done a kick at the end of section 2, kicking the right towards the right diagonal, it's behind, quarter, right, bump, left, bump, right, bump. Okay, so let's take it from the beginning, starting with a toe strut with the right. Ready, and right strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, quarter, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. Let's do it again. Ready, and toe strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, touch, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump. So that's your first 3 sections. So next section of Clap Happy. You were facing 9 o'clock and you had just done a side bump and you bumped into the right hip. So now we're going to travel to the left with a side together, side touch. So it's left together, left, touch the right next to the left. Then we're going to roll to 12 o'clock. We're going to make a quarter turn onto the right. Keep turning, being pulled around by your right shoulder, half turn back on the left, half turn forward on the right, step forward on the left. Okay, so if we do that again, you were facing 9 o'clock, you had the weight in the right. You're going to do a side together, side touch to the left. Ready, and side together, side touch, quarter, half, half, step. You step forward onto the left. If you don't want to make those 2 half turns, you make a quarter turn onto the right and then 3 walks forward, left, right, left. So I'll do that section for you without the turn. From the side together, side touch the left. Ready, and side together, side, touch, quarter, step, step, step. And that's if you don't want to do those 2 half turns, okay? So we take it from the section before. You've just done a kick with the right. We're going to do a behind quarter into our bumps. Ready, and behind quarter, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump, side together, side, touch, quarter, half, half, step. Let's take it from the beginning, leading with a right toe strut. Ready, and toe strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, quarter turn, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump, side together, side, touch, quarter, half, half, step. Let's do it one more time. Leading with your right toe strut. Ready, and toe strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, quarter turn, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump, side together, side, touch, quarter, half, half, step. So we put 4 sections together in a row now. So you have the weight forward on the left. Now you're going to do a forward rock on the right, so rock, recover, step back on the right, sweep the left for over 1 count, then step back on the left, sweep the right, step and do a back rock. Okay, so you have the weight forward on the left, and you do a forward rock, back sweep, back rock. I'll do that for you again. Forward rock on the right, forward rock, back sweep, back rock. Okay, so each of those sweeps take 1 beat of music, and you don't put the weight down on that beat. I'll show you with the count. So forward rock, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if we take it from the section where we've just done the bumps, you've got facing 9 o'clock and the weight is in the right hip. You just bump to the right. You can do side together, side touch to the left. Ready, and side together, side touch, quarter, half, half, step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock. Okay, let's take it from the beginning, starting with your right toe strut. Ready, and right strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, quarter turn, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump, side together, side, touch, quarter, half, half, step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock. Let's do it again. Right strut. Ready, and right strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, kick, behind, quarter turn, side, bump, side, bump, side, bump, side together, side, touch, quarter, half, half, step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock. Next section, you start with the weight on the left. You're going to touch toe heel with the right and then stomp the right across. So it's toe, heel, cross, and we mirror that with the left. Toe, heel, cross. Okay, so let's do that again. Ready, and toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. Going to stomp the right down, stomp, but it's a stomp up, so you don't put the weight in it. And then you're going to stomp the right out a little bit further as you kick the left up. And so you sort of jump to the side onto the right foot. So from the beginning of that section, toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick. And as you bring the weight down to that right, you kick the left towards the left diagonal. Okay, so first of all you did a stomp up, and then stomp slightly out to the side and kick the left. Yes, so a stomp up, stomp down with a kick. Okay, I'll do that again for you from the toe heel. Ready, and toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick. Okay, and again, this whole dance is on whole beats. Okay, so I'll do that for you. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's take it from the forward rock section. So you've got the weight in the left, you can do a forward rock on the right. So it's forward rock, back, sweep, back, rock. Toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick. Let's do that again. Forward rock on the right. Ready, and forward rock, back, sweep, back, rock. Toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick. Now let's take it from the section where we're facing 9 o'clock and we just finished our bumps. You're going to travel to the left with a side together, side touch. Ready, and side together, side touch. Quarter, half step. Forward rock, back sweep, back rock. Toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick. Now we'll go from the top, leading with a toe strut with your right. Ready, and toe strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side cross, kick, behind, quarter turn, side bump, side together, side touch, quarter, half step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock, toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick. Well done, nearly there. We're on the penultimate section now of Clap Happy. So, you've just kicked the left out towards the left diagonal. You're going to step behind, side, cross, and hitch the right. Okay, so we'll just do that. You kick the left, you step behind, side, cross, hitch. Then just touch the right across in front and hitch the right. And then make a step behind with the right and a quarter turn onto the left. So I'm just going to show you that a little bit facing the front in case you couldn't see. You just kick with the left, you step behind, side, cross, hitch the right, touch the right across, hitch the right, step the right behind, and then make a quarter turn. Okay, so let's do that again facing the front. You've kicked with the left, you're coming behind, side, cross, and a hitch. Ready, and behind, side, cross, hitch, touch in front, hitch, step behind, quarter turn. Okay, so now we'll go from the toe heel cross section, leading with your right. Ready, and toe heel cross, stomp, kick, behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, quarter turn. Let's do that again from the toe heel cross. Ready, and toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick, behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, quarter turn. Now we'll take it from the beginning. Toe strut leading with the right. 5, 6, 7, and toe strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, behind, quarter turn, side bump, side together, side touch, quarter, half step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock, toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick, behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, quarter turn. Okay, so we've just got the last section to add on. Now we're on to the last section of Clap Happy. So you're facing 9 o'clock and you just put the weight onto the left. Now you're going to step the right to the side and you're just going to touch the left to the left as you look over your shoulder to the right, okay? So you have the weight on the left when you came round here and you step side, touch. Make a quarter turn onto the left facing 6 o'clock. Hitch the right as you make a quarter pivot on the ball of that left foot to 3 o'clock. hitch. So it's a quarter turning hitch. Then you go into a jazz box, cross, back, side, step. And that's the end of the dance, okay? So let's go over that again. You're facing 9 o'clock. Weights in the left. You're going to step side with the right and touch the left. So it's side, touch, quarter hitch, cross, back, side, together. Okay? So let's go from the section before. We've just done a kick with the left. We're going to come behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, quarter turn. Yes? So you've kicked out to the left diagonal. Ready, and behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, quarter turn, side, touch, quarter hitch, cross, back, side, together. Let's do that again. Just kick with the left. Ready, and behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, turn, side, touch, quarter hitch, cross, back, side, step. Okay, let's go from where we've just done the bumps. We're facing 9 o'clock, you've got all the weight in the right, side together, side touch, and rolling to the front. Ready, and side together, side touch, quarter, half, step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock, toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick, behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, turn, side, touch, quarter hitch, cross, back, side, step. Now we'll take it from the beginning. Toe strut leading with the right. Ready, and right strut, kick, touch, kick, step, kick, touch, kick, behind, side, cross, kick, behind, quarter turn, side bump, side together, side touch, quarter, half, step, forward rock, back sweep, back rock, toe, heel, cross, stomp, kick, behind, side, cross, hitch, touch, hitch, behind, turn, side touch, quarter hitch, cross, back, side, step. And that's it. You've learned the routine.